Okay, welcome to trade recap, trade number 40. What did I do on this one? So this also came after missing a long trade. Trade 40 is a much a smaller picture trade. So this was identifying this kind of consolidation. It had a slight higher highs. It's kind of I guess some people probably call it a flag maybe or something. I don't know. But I tried out using a stop entry, which I haven't done in a long time. That's something I used to do in the early days. But I could see the potential for this momentum to move to the downside, and I saw the divergence happening on a small scale. So you can see higher, 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 and down here lower, lower, lower. So divergence showed up. And so I tried out a sell stop. So it just popped in as it broke below at this level I set. Stop was up here above the high of this candle here. So in hindsight, obviously it worked out. I'm happy, grateful for that it hit target. But looking at this, it could be an opportunity. And kind of what I was wondering is actually here, this big engulfing after pulling back after this break. This would have been a lower stop size. Target would have been like here probably or something. But my question for myself is if I see this, would I enter? And I don't know the answer because it's kind of bottom wick. It's big engulfing. It hits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. It closes below bodies of. And actually, now that I look at it on the recap for 39, I was pointing out this when a gap shows up after breaking below. My dryer is making all sorts of noise. And yeah, that's pushed in a little bit. It's hard to even see, it's so small. But there's this gap that shows up, and it looks like, let's see, high 1751, high 1750, so it's equal high. So maybe that wouldn't work, but just looking for ways of validating entries. Yes, engulfing, but if you notice, it is just barely lower than this guy right here. So it breaks, forms a gap, pulls up to, doesn't get into it, so that'd be kind of a scary place to get in. So anyways, it would be a risky trade for sure in terms of how far the stop would be from here to, I probably still would have chosen that. Oops. So it's 2.3 pips. So it would have been out there. So anyways, that was an idea. The trade did work out, and like I said, I'm thankful for that. But potentially could have had a better entry. That's all. So trade 40, so in two wins and 2 losses for today. Let's see. Check my little guy here. So these are all my trades that I'm tracking. So this says 41, but it's because I had a double position. I wonder how that works if I. Does that mess everything up? It might mess everything up. We'll see. Actually, 40. This would have been. Oh, I think I had it counted as 39. Anyway, then there. Okay, so counts right. So let's see. So 3 wins, 2 losses today. So that's kind of cool. This week's starting off well. Last week was really pretty poor overall. So it's nice to have a good start here. Coming back from the holiday weekend and camping and maybe a fresh mind. So yeah, let's recap. I'm trying to get this win rate up towards 50%. Overall, I'm at 29%, which is less than what I want. So keep looking for good trades and we'll go from there. Farewell.